Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on combating AI fatigue and digital overload in the modern workplace. Today, we'll explore strategies and innovations that can help us boost productivity, improve well-being, and enhance user experience. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover practical approaches and new ideas to navigate the challenges of our increasingly digital work environment. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about how fragmentation in our work environment contributes to overload and the increased risk of burnout. When our tasks and information flow are constantly interrupted or disjointed, it becomes harder to focus and stay productive. This fragmentation causes overload because employees are forced to switch between tasks frequently, making it tough to keep up with everything. As a result, stress levels rise and emotional exhaustion can set in. This is closely linked to what we call AI fatigue, which happens when work feels endless and demands keep piling up. When we're constantly battling with new information and continuous requests, it can wear us down mentally and emotionally. So, understanding these dynamics is crucial as we explore ways to combat fatigue and create healthier, more sustainable work environments. Let's take a closer look at the fragmented workday and digital overload that many of us experience today. Modern workdays are often broken into many short tasks, which might seem efficient at first, but in reality, they lead to frequent interruptions. These interruptions come from notifications, emails, and meetings that constantly pull us away from deep focus. This pattern can significantly impact our productivity, making it harder to get into a flow and increasing our stress levels. As a result, our overall efficiency declines, and we often feel overwhelmed. Now add to this the issue of digital overload. Employees are flooded with endless data, alerts, and distractions, things vying for our attention throughout the day. Even during breaks, it's tough to truly relax because our minds are still processing all this digital noise. This creates a cycle of fatigue, where mental recovery becomes limited. Instead of feeling refreshed, we often end the day exhausted, with little opportunity to recharge. Understanding this cycle is crucial as we explore strategies to combat AI fatigue and digital overload in the modern workplace. Let's take a closer look at how AI can actually intensify cognitive load. Instead of helping us reduce fatigue, this added complexity can sometimes make our work feel more exhausting rather than easier. When we talk about deepening AI fatigue, what we mean is that the more overwhelming the system becomes, through excessive data, complicated workflows, or too many choices, the more it can contribute to our mental exhaustion. It's important to recognize that while AI has great potential to assist us, poorly implemented AI can backfire. Instead of easing our mental burden, it can actually increase it, especially if the tools are not user-friendly or if they add unnecessary steps. So, in the bigger picture, the key here is balance. We need to design and deploy AI in ways that truly support us, not complicate our work further. That's how we can avoid digital overload and maintain productivity without falling into the trap of AI fatigue. Let's talk about how Microsoft's approach to AI aims to tackle the issue of AI fatigue and digital overload in today's workplace. Our goal is to help reduce interruptions and support employees in maintaining focus. When workers experience fewer disruptions, they can be more engaged and productive, which also benefits their overall health. Research shows that fragmented work time, those frequent, often unplanned interruptions, are a major contributor to fatigue. This highlights the importance of smarter, more intuitive tools that help us manage our tasks better. Microsoft designs AI solutions specifically to help set clear work boundaries, so employees can better control their digital environment and avoid overload. By focusing on user well-being, these tools are not just about productivity, they're about creating a healthier, more balanced work experience for everyone. Today, I want to talk about how we can reshape work with smart UX design to address some of the challenges we face in the modern workplace. Specifically, we're focusing on combating AI fatigue and digital overload. These issues can really drain our mental energy and reduce productivity if not managed properly. This design approach aims to help reduce cognitive load, making our interactions more manageable and supporting sustained focus over longer periods. One of the key ideas here is supporting focus by giving users control over AI agents. When users feel they maintain control, it builds trust and helps reduce anxiety about automation taking over tasks. In addition, workflows are optimized to be intuitive. This means providing clear feedback and ensuring transparency in how AI interacts with us. When we understand what's happening behind the scenes, we're more confident in using these tools. Finally, Microsoft's smart UX principles emphasize simplicity, minimizing unnecessary steps and reducing mental strain. By designing workflows that are straightforward and easy to follow, we help users stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. In essence, this approach is about creating a smarter, more supportive working environment that leverages technology without adding to our stress or fatigue. Let's take a closer look at what the data shows us. On average, these AI tools help save a significant amount of time. And what does that mean in real life? Less stress and a more balanced workload for everyone. It's about making work more manageable and less overwhelming. These AI assistants don't just boost productivity, they also support our well-being. How? By taking care of repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on higher-value activities that truly require our skills and creativity. For example, Microsoft 365 Copilots can handle routine chores like writing emails, summarizing meetings, or analyzing data. This automation saves us a lot of time, so we can concentrate on what really matters. Overall, the goal here is to reduce work overload, fight AI fatigue, and make our workdays more sustainable and engaging. Let's talk about how multi-agent orchestration and automation are transforming the modern workplace. By automating task coordination behind the scenes, we significantly reduce manual effort. This not only lightens the workload, but also lowers cognitive load, helping employees focus on more strategic tasks. As a result, efficiency is greatly enhanced. Technologies like semantic kernel and autogen play a crucial role here. They enable AI agents to collaborate seamlessly, creating smooth workflows without constant human oversight. This kind of collaboration is essential for handling complex processes efficiently. And speaking of managing complexity, Microsoft employs multi-agent orchestration to oversee intricate tasks with minimal human intervention. This approach ensures that operations run smoothly and efficiently, even at scale. Overall, these advancements highlight how automation and intelligent coordination are key to overcoming AI fatigue and digital overload, empowering us to work smarter and more effectively in today's fast-paced environment. Now, let's look at some key smart UX principles that can really help improve well-being in the workplace. These strategies are all about promoting a healthier work-life balance by preventing burnout and supporting ongoing well-being. First, one important area is promoting work-life balance through intelligent task automation. By automating repetitive tasks, we can free up mental space, allowing employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. This not only reduces stress, but also keeps work engaging and meaningful. Another critical principle is prioritizing essential information. Good UX design helps users focus on what's truly important by filtering out distractions and emphasizing key data. This way, users can maintain better focus and avoid feeling overwhelmed, especially in a digital environment that can easily become overloaded. Overall, these strategies are about creating a more mindful and balanced digital work experience. They help prevent fatigue and support sustained well-being, which is vital in our increasingly digital and fast-paced world.